Hi children, today we are going to read our new lesson that is about Mahatma Gandhi. So in this firstly going through lesson, once we will go through page number 58. You have seen some pictures, right? They are called as a freedom fighters. Okay, they were fighting against our British for our independence. So once I am writing these names on the board, you just write down in your notes. Okay, who is this first person, ma? Anyone know? Say the name. Say the name. This first picture, who is the? He is the first Prime Minister of India. Who is it? We will call as Chacha Nehru also. Who is it? Jawaharlal Nehru. And who is she? Whose picture is this, ma? She was also a Prime Minister. Who is she? Say. Her name is Indira Gandhi. Okay, and who is this in this picture? He is a freedom fighter. Say the name. His name is Bhagat Singh. And this one, who is this? Who is there in this picture? Chandrasekhar Azad. And this picture, ma? Subhash Chandra Bose. So finally, Mahatma Gandhi. He was also a freedom fighter. So in this lesson, we will get to know who is Gandhiji, what he had. Okay, now we are going to lesson. Mahatma Gandhi is a great name. How much do you know about him? Talk in front of the class, read more about him and add your knowledge. So, the word Mahatma means a person who has a great soul. What the meaning of Mahatma, ma? A person who have a great soul. This name was not given to Gandhiji by his parents. The people of India honored him with his title when they understood how great a man he was. Mahatma, who kept ma for Gandhiji? The people who honored him. The name was not given by his parents. The name was given by the people who honored him. So, his parents named him Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. What, ma? What is the full name of Gandhiji? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869. When he born, ma? October 2nd, 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. Where he born, ma? Porbandar. In first class also you have learned about Gandhiji, right? All of you know where he born when. So, at the age of 6, Gandhiji went to school in Porbandar. When Gandhiji was just 13 years old, he was married to Kasturba, a girl of his age. At age of 13, he married a girl called Kasturba. What the name of his wife was? Kasturba. So when Gandhiji was 19, he went to England to study law. He also lived in South Africa for a few years. Where he went when he was 19 years old? He went to England. And later he went to South Africa also. South Africa. Okay. So, he came back to India in 1915. He found most of our people poor, so he devoted himself to the cause of the Indian people. By seeing the people of India, so he devoted himself. Joined by our countrymen, Gandhiji fought with the British to make India independent. He went to jail many times. Gandhiji managed to gain independence for India by following the path of ahimsa or non-violence. How you got independence, ma'am? By the fighting against British, right? So Gandhiji was fighting against with British with the following path: ahimsa and non-violence. So, Mahatma Gandhi was lovingly called Bapu. So, what we'll call to Mahatma Gandhi, ma? We will call him as Bapu. We will call him as Bapu. In nowadays, in your cartoon channel also, Bapu, it's coming, right? In your Disney or something. So, you just go through. We respect, we call him the father of our nation. One more name. What is the name of him? The father of our nation. On January 30, 1948, a man called Nathuram Godse shot him dead. Gandhiji had just finished his evening prayers. His last words were "Hey Ram." So, on January 30, 1948, after independence, 1948, the man called Nathuram Godse, he shot Mahatma Gandhi. So, at that time, he was just finishing his evening prayers and his last words were "Hey Ram." So, these words you just write in your classworks and practice it. And notes also I will be sending it through the pics. Thank you.